So it's time to show you Miracast or Intel Wide-Eye on the ASUS Vivotab Note 8. The setup I've got here is the Actiontec. This is the ScreenBeam display receiver. Has it got a model number on there? There it is. Ooh, I should put some lights on here. The reason I haven't got lights on here is because we're focusing on the monitors here. So ScreenBeam. I think that's about $60 or $70 worth. It's got external power, HDMI out, and it will also do YUSB for wireless wide-eye devices that support wide-eye and YUSB. Now, these tablets seem to just come with Miracast support and not Intel Wide-Eye, which I'm kind of surprised at, to be honest, but doesn't really matter. Miracast does work. What we've got behind here is a full HD screen that is connected to the Miracast adapter. Now, ASUS Vivotab Note 8. Boom. Oh, you've got my password. Right. What we're going to do, I've just booted this up. We're going to go to Devices. We're going to go to Project. And what will happen is it should find, using Wi-Fi Direct, this device, the Actiontec, on the network. Now, you don't have to be connected to a Wi-Fi for it to find it, because it's Wi-Fi Direct. It should just find the device over Wi-Fi Direct. So we're going to connect to that, and if you look up here, we're connected. I've already been connected to this device once before, and therefore authentication is fairly quick. So what I've got here is a duplicate display, and everything's working nicely. Now you can see, there's some display. Now what I wanted to show you on this this video is just how much of a delay there is, and the way I'm going to do that is just to start a stopwatch app, and I'll take a video. And well, number one, you can pause the video as you're watching it on YouTube, watching 720p, and see the differences between the times on the two screens. I'll also take a picture as well while we're doing the video. So let's just kick that off. Now, any time now, you can pause this video and see the differences between those two. Now, while that note might be very good for gaming, it is good for slideshow and presentation type activities, and also for videos as well. So here's something playing off my network here, and you'll see that it doesn't really matter. As long as the audio and video are in sync on the main screen, it doesn't actually matter whether there's a delay. And in fact, in the video, you probably won't see much of a delay. Now, Intel tell me that it will go down to 100 milliseconds delay. There are some different modes with wide-eye. You can have a fast frames per second mode, I think up to 60 frames a second. You can have a low latency mode as well. So, Miracast, I don't know which mode it is actually going to use, but certainly wide-eye, you might get down to below 100 milliseconds. On this test with the Miracast, you're looking at 150 to 200 milliseconds. I think in this test you'll probably see about 160, 170 milliseconds. So, that is the Actiontec ScreenBeam display adapter, Miracast and Wide-Eye. It's about $70. It's worked with all the devices I've tested so far without any firmware problems. I know on Amazon there have been some issues reported about.
Sunday, the FBI successfully concluded.
Let's just turn that volume off. There have been some reports of problems getting some devices, some Wi-Fi adapters, some Wide-Eye adapters working, and that's the Netgear ones, PTV 3000 for example. It's really a matter of getting those updated to the right firmware. But I think the Actiontec is working pretty well. It looks pretty ugly, but it works, and that's all that matters. You can stick this to the back of your TV and you're away. Don't forget, you will get full CD quality audio over there. Remember, everything that goes over this is compressed and decompressed on the Wi-Fi wide-eye receiver. And on some models, you'll get remote USB as well. And YUSB, so that means you can potentially have a webcam in another part of the room and it will send back over Wi-Fi. I haven't tested that yet because Wide-Eye is not available on these tablets. It only seems to be Miracast, so or at least the full Wide-Eye stack is not available anyway. There you go. That's a little bit of information about Wide-Eye and the Actiontec. Thanks to Intel for sending me the Actiontec receiver. Seems to be working really well, and I will be sticking that on the back of my screen in the sofa as soon as I've finished all the testing down here in the studio. Thanks for watching. My name's Chippy. We'll see you on the next video.